Hello, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of woodworking and gardening to create a beautiful and functional addition to any indoor space, a wooden table planter stand. Join us as we embark on this creative journey, exploring the art of craftsmanship and bringing a touch of nature into our homes. A wooden table planter stand is more than just a place to display your favorite plants. It's a statement piece that adds warmth and character to any room. Crafted from natural wood materials, this versatile stand serves as a beautiful showcase for your greenery while also providing a functional platform for your indoor gardening. To begin our project, we'll need a few basic materials and tools. Start by selecting high-quality wooden boards that are sturdy and durable. Popular choices include pine, cedar, or oak, but feel free to get creative with different wood species to achieve the look and feel you desire. Next, it's time to bring our vision to life by cutting and assembling the wooden boards into the structure of our table planter stand. Whether you prefer a simple design with clean lines or a more intricate pattern with decorative accents, the possibilities are endless. Just be sure to measure carefully and use proper safety precautions when operating power tools. Once the basic structure is in place, it's time to refine the details by sanding and smoothing the surface of the wooden stand. This step not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the stand, but also ensures a smooth and even finish that will protect your plant from splinters and rough edges. Now comes the fun part, adding your personal touch to the stand with a coat of stain or paint. Whether you prefer a natural wood finish that highlights the grain and texture of the wood, or a bold pop of color that complements your decor, the choice is yours. Just be sure to use non-toxic finish that is safe for both your plants and the environment. And there you have it. Our wooden table planter stand is complete and ready to showcase your favorite plants in style. Whether you use it to display a collection of succulents, a cascade of trailing vines, or a vibrant bouquet of flowers, this versatile stand is sure to become a focal point in any room. But the beauty of a wooden table planter stand extends far beyond its decorative appeal. By elevating your plants off the ground, this stand helps improve air circulation and drainage, creating a healthier environment for your greenery to thrive. Additionally, the raised height makes it easier to water, prune, and care for your plants, ensuring they receive the attention they need to flourish. But wait, there's more. Our wooden table planter stand is not only functional but also customizable to suit your individual preferences and needs. Add hooks or shelves for additional storage. Incorporate wheels for easy mobility, or adjust the dimensions to fit larger or smaller spaces. With a little creativity and imagination, the possibilities are endless. A wooden table planter stand is a beautiful and practical addition to any home decor. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a novice DIY enthusiast, this project offers a rewarding opportunity to hone your skills and create something truly special. So gather your materials, unleash your creativity, and let's get started on crafting a masterpiece that will breathe new life into your indoor space. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. We hope you've been inspired to bring a touch of nature indoors with your very own wooden table plant to stand. Until next time, happy crafting and happy gardening.